Effects of short-term almonds and walnuts intake on serum fatty acid composition, metabolic profile and adiposity on obese adults. By Monica I. Cardonal Varado, Francisco J. Ortega, Enrique Ramirez Chavez, Maria Elizabeth Tejero, George Molinatos, Jose M. Fernandezreal and Elva L. Perezliuk. Background: obesity has emerged as a serious public health threat in the 21st century. According to the 2016 National Health and Nutrition Survey of the Mexican population, the prevalence of overweight and obesity is 72.5% in adults aged 20 and older. Purpose: the purpose of the study is to evaluate changes in serum fatty acids, metabolic profile and inflammation markers after a dietary intervention of 15 g of walnuts and 15 g of almonds for 8 weeks in obese subjects. Patients and methods: a total of 48 sedentary obese grade I subjects, 13 men and 35 women, of 30 to 50 years old without evidence of chronic degenerative, infectious, or neoplastic diseases, was studied. Anthropometric measures: body composition, serum glucose, lipid profile, insulin, lipocalina 2, high sensitivity C-reactive protein, HSCRP, adiponectin, and fatty acids profile were analyzed at the baseline and after 8 weeks of dietary intervention. Data normality was tested using the Kolmogorov-Smirnov test. The anthropometric and metabolic data were expressed as the mean plus or minus standard deviation. Differences between groups were examined using the paired t-test. Non-parametric variables were transformed into logarithms. In order to examine the size effect of each anthropometric and metabolic parameter, we used the Cohen-d. The statistical significance was set at p less than 0.05. Results: a significant decrease in all measures of obesity, weight, waist circumference, hip circumference, BMI, and fat mass, p less than 0.0001, was found. The adiponectin, 30.4%, p is equal to 0.007, lipocalin to concentrations, 17.9%, p is equal to 0.014, and total polyunsaturated fatty acids, PUFAs, percentage, 1.6%, p is equal to 0.040, significantly increased after intervention, particularly the icosapentaenoic acid and docosahexaenoic acid percentages were increased marginally. A significant decrease in saturated fatty acids levels, 3%, p is equal to 0.001, in particular the myristic acid, C14, and palmitic acid, C16, in total cholesterol, 6.7%, p is equal to 0.01, and LDL, 11.4%, p is equal to 0.002 levels, and in all measures of obesity, weight, waist circumference, hip circumference, BMI and fat mass, less than 0.0001, were found. The effect size for the intervention was large for all measures of obesity, and moderate for BMI, adiponectin, palmitic acid, and palmitoleic acid. Conclusion: in conclusion, a significant increase of 30% in adiponectin and LCN2, 17.9% concentrations were found. Additionally, a significant decrease in all measures of obesity, total cholesterol, and LDL concentrations after the intervention was observed. The SFA percentage significantly decreased, in particular, the myristic acid, C14, and palmitic acid, C16. The total PUFAs percentage significantly increased, and particularly the percentages of the icosapentaenoic acid, EPA, C20, 5-omega-3, and docosahexaenoic acid, DHAC, 22, 6-omega-3, marginally increased. The effect size was large for all measures of obesity, except for BMI as well as for adiponectin, which was moderate. Only in baseline, significant positive correlations of total saturated fatty acids, lauric and stearic acids with HSCRP concentration, and myristic acid with triglycerides were found. This study data show that the consumption of almonds and walnuts for a short time may improve the metabolic state and measures of obesity. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.